mixer increases speed as the developing gluten network strengthens. The dough transforms from coarse lumps into...
That batch looks pretty clean.
Yeah, moving fast today.
The diced potatoes drop into a steam cooking chamber, where controlled steam pressure cooks them evenly. Their color
Green peas arrive after blanching and cooling. Their bright color and firm texture indicate correct blanch timing and retained internal moisture for proper blending.
The depositor intake unit receives the cooled filling. Its auger rotates gently, preserving particle integrity.
Completed filling batches sit in stainless steel insulated hoppers. Their texture stable, moisture balanced.
The mixer increases speed as the developing gluten network strengthens. The dough transforms from coarse lumps into...
Resting trays receive dough portions marked by batch tags. The dough now has a slightly warm feel and a firm, confirming a slow, smooth rebound, which indicates proper hydration balance and relaxed gluten.
The dough enters the first compression roller, where stainless steel cylinders apply gentle, uniform pressure.
The second roller stage applies higher pressure, transforming the dough into a thinner, smoother sheet.
The dough surface appears glossy and unbroken under LED lumen, showing correct oil distribution and hydration level.
stabilized by individual.
Alert! Excessive oil absorption detected. Weak dough spot confirmed.
Oil section jets maintain consistent flow around the samosas, preventing stagnant zones and ensuring the outer shell crisps evenly without localized overcooking.
At the exit end of the fryer, samosas rise onto a draining conveyor where
A mechanical ripple plate guides samosas gently forward. Stable filling density ensures pieces do not deform or sag under heat stress. The samosas cool slightly on a perforated conveyor, allowing residual steam to escape. Consistent crust.
The close shot shows the samosa's outer surface is smooth and crease-free, proving the dough's texture is even and not...
The samosas enter a gentle air circulation chamber where temperature equalizes fully throughout the piece. This prevents condensation inside sealed packaging later.
Filling viscosity is checked by pressing a sample between two glass plates. The mixture spreads uniformly, confirming correct oil absorption and moisture retention.
An airflow sensor checks that no residual moisture escapes from random samples. Stable readings demonstrate complete cooling and moisture stabilization.
A gentle drop mechanism places each samosa pack inside the carton without impact. The crust's firm yet
A weight sensor checks each piece for filling accuracy. Consistent density and moisture ensure predictable weight values without sudden variations.